Electrical Code Section 680.21 addresses wiring methods for pool-associated motors. It's crucial to understand what's permitted and what's not to ensure safety and compliance. The reference to wiring methods includes flexible metal conduit or FMC. This is defined in Article 100 and also covered in Article 348 of the National Electrical Code. Section 680.21 specifically restricts the use of FMC in the described application, focusing on the wiring of pool motors. However, it does permit the use of liquid-tight flexible metal conduit, provided that it's installed with approved fittings. While 680.21 allows liquid-tight flexible metal conduit, it's also important to meet the requirements outlined in Article 350 of the National Electrical Code. In addition to meeting the general requirements of Article 350, Section 501.15 FR might also be relevant, particularly if the location is classified as a hazardous or potentially hazardous area. It is essential to consult both Article 350 and 501.15 FR to ensure complete compliance. In summary, regarding wiring methods for swimming pool motors, FMC is not permitted as a wiring method due to the restrictions outlined in Section 680.21 of the National Electrical Code. It specifically allows liquid-tight flexible metal conduit, which then needs to adhere to both Article 350 and, if applicable, Section 501.15 FR. It is important to always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and any relevant local amendments to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations for electrical installations, particularly in and around swimming pools where safety is paramount. This includes proper grounding and bonding techniques and adherence to manufacturer specifications for all equipment.